How to check iPhone activation date. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then tap on the about option you see there. Further, scroll to the serial number tab and tap hold on the serial number and you will see the option for copy. So tap on the copy option you see there and now go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for iUnlocker.com. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the IMEI or serial number text box. So in that particular text box, paste the IMEI number or the serial number that you just copied and then tap on the check option you see there. You will further be led to this type of interface and you will be able to view all your iPhone's specification here. So scroll down to the estimated activation date option you see there or the purchase date option, and this particular date is your activation date. So this is how you can check activation date on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.